Spring Garden boat ramp. Little tin can tournament that Frayed Knot's putting on. Still hadn't found out the boat number. About to call them here in a few. Everybody have a good Memorial Day weekend. Wish us luck and safe travels on the water at night. Well, I don't got no cameraman with me, but we're gonna call this one out. He's only about 5 pounds. So there, buddy. It's 4:14 a.m. Monday morning. We're at Spring Garden boat ramp. And it is pouring rain. That's okay. Got the bells pump running. Just got about 40 minutes more of this rain and it'll be gone. We can get back to fishing. I've got 4 fish in the live well. One's about, I think he weighed a little over 30. And the other ones, there's one about 15. And then there's another one that's about 10. So, doing all right. This rain will go on. I'm going back down the river. And hopefully, do a little something. Y'all stay tuned.